皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Sri Lankan Prime Minister resigns. May 9th, 2022, 7:57 a.m. Update May 9th, 2022, 3:28 p.m. VOA News. File photo. Sri Lanka's Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa reacts during his swearing-in ceremony as the new Prime Minister, at Kelaniya Buddhist Temple in Colombo, Sri Lanka, August 9, 2020. Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa resigned Monday following weeks of protests calling for him and his brother, President Gotabaya Rajapaksa, to step down amid an economic crisis. Officials said the Prime Minister sent a letter of resignation to the President. The Prime Minister also tweeted about stepping down early in the morning. Effective immediately, I have tendered my resignation as Prime Minister to the President. The resignation comes after supporters of the ruling Sri Lanka Pajajana Peramuna (SLPP) party attacked anti-government protesters Monday outside the President's offices in Colombo, injuring at least 200 people. Police officers tried to protect a supporter of Sri Lanka's ruling party during a clash with anti-government demonstrators in front of the Prime Minister's official residence amid the country's economic crisis in Colombo, Sri Lanka, May 9, 2022. Police fired tear gas and water cannon and imposed an indefinite curfew. The Rajapaksa government has been the target of much scrutiny from Sri Lankans. Protesters have criticized the brothers for not appropriately dealing with a deteriorating economy, the worst the country has seen since its independence in 1948. The economic crisis has caused soaring inflation rates, month-long shortages of food, fuel and medical supplies, and unpredictable power blackouts. The Rajapaksa brothers have predominantly controlled Sri Lankan politics for the past 2 decades. Protesters continue to rally for the president's removal from power. VOA's Zoya Mirza contributed to this report.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。